welcome back to my channel. The hair's great, isn't it? I'm going to be cleaning, so I haven't bothered to do my hair today except for just tie it up. I cannot wait to wash it this evening. I've had a couple of days of cleaning videos and I thought I might style it for a video, but reality was I want to get in and get cleaning. Last night we had homemade burgers, which are inspired by the gorgeous Kristen and they were delicious. They have become a family staple in our house. But I didn't clean up the pans. I made obviously Isabel, who is my vegetarian, her burgers in one pan and ours in another. So I need to give them a clean. I need to tidy up the kitchen bench from breakfast this morning, unpack the dishwasher, wash a few dishes up. The living room is needing a little bit. Anyway, I'm back to my rambly intros. I hope this gives you all the cleaning motivation that you need today, and let's get cleaning. So first things first is my cleaning slippers. I cannot clean without these slippers. I love them. I mentioned them in my video the other day. I just absolutely love wearing them. They're fantastic for like once you've mopped the floor, but they're also good for when you are dusting. And I'm just going to unpack the dishes. I love those IKEA plates, but oh my gosh, they do not fit in my dishwasher. So I'm on the hunt for some nice white plates, but just a heads up, if you have admired them at IKEA, they are very big and they don't fit in many dishwashers.
Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
So if you follow along on Instagram too, there's going to be a makeover in this room. I'm finally getting my dream butler sink and we're painting the cabinets as well. I'm still keeping with my country farmhouse theme, but I have wanted a farmhouse sink for so long and I'm finally getting it.
As I'm with you, hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine.
So here I'm using the Koala Eco dish soap. I absolutely love the smell of this and it works really well. The only fault I could say is that it doesn't really bubble up a whole heap like normal dishwashing liquid, but in saying that, it's great because you don't have to really give the dishes a really good rinse because there's no soapy residue on top of it.
Now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know how I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Yeah, it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Oh, 'cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. I have tried, oh I have tried, yeah, to become better. But I'd lie again if I said it'll last forever. I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why you have to know, yeah. There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Oh, 'cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. Oh, oh, oh. Out of all my mistakes, hurting you is the worst. I admit I was wrong. There's only one thing to do, the last thing I wanna do. I know I have to let you go. 'Cause yeah, there's not a part.
So here I am sharing with you my latest addiction. It's the caramel chocolate wafers from Aldi. Oh my goodness, they are so delicious and they're very Moorish. So I'm trying to give them up, but this was my last one, I decided. But we'll see if I can give them up, but they are so yummy.
You'll do better without me. Without me. Without me.
As I was cleaning this, I was wondering why I was actually cleaning it, because I knew we would be making pancakes this afternoon and it's dirty again, but I thought I'm filming a video, I might as well clean it. It was grubby from the fat from the burgers the night before.
Like a warning, could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go. Let's be free with me.
So I'm just popping some bicarb and vinegar down the drain in the powder room. It was not flowing properly and it's now flowing good. So this was a good natural way of cleaning the actual drain of the sink, and I'm just giving the toilet a clean. I'm sorry that you see the kitty litter here. It was just changed. So it's all fresh kitty litter, but this is reality. This is where our cats go to the toilet, and I do change it regularly, and I like to use the Smart Sand. There, look how gross that is in the plug. But I like to use the Smart Sand 2-pack for the kitty litter. It comes with its own little bag, and it doesn't have a kitty litter smell to it.
Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Now I'm just into the family bathroom, wiping over the benches and changing out the towel. This bathroom was renovated, was one of our first rooms we renovated, and I have changed my style since this, but it will eventually just be for the girls, so I think it's quite pretty for a girl's bathroom. But if I was to choose the tiles again, I wouldn't have chosen these Diamante tiles. And can you see Duke sitting out there watching me clean?
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's conflict.
Part of the video cracked me up because he is such a cheeky cat. It's like having toddlers again. Now my kids are at school and all 3 of them will be in high school next year. I have no more babies to look after, and Duke is my baby. He is that little toddler that jumps all over the bed while you're trying to make it. So it is a pretty dodgy bed making, but he's too cute, so I was quite happy to leave it as it is. And it's always better to jump into a made bed than a non-made bed. I hope this video gave you all the cleaning motivation that you needed today, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Click the bell notification, and if you'd like to follow along on Instagram as well so you don't miss out on anything, then I will link my Instagram as well. But I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.